Welcome to my channel, and I hope that you will enjoy the class today. Today we're going to speak about the verb to be in past tense. You might agree with me that the verb to be in general is very useful to know in a language in order to make and create conversations. First, I would like to mention the base verb form to be in Georgian, qopna. Please repeat after me. Now let's see how it's conjugated in past tense. Me viqavi. Shen iqavi. You were. Is iqo. Once again. Me viqavi. Shen iqavi. Is iqo. Let's build up a couple of sentences using the verb to be in first person, second, and third. Gushin me viqavi sakhlshi. Gushin me viqavi sakhlshi. Gushin shen iqavi samsakhorshi. Gushin shen iqavi samsakhorshi. Gushin is iqo maghazieshi. Gushin is iqo maghazieshi. Very well done. Now let's move on and see how the plural forms are conjugated. Chven viqavit. Chven viqavit. Tkven iqavit. Tkven iqavit. Isini iqvnen. Isini iqvnen. Once again, chven viqavit, tkven iqavit, isini iqvnen. Very well done. Now, once again, let's build up a couple of sentences using the verb to be plural forms. Let's start. Gushin chven viqavit ezoshi. Gushin chven viqavit ezoshi. Gushin tkven iqavit kinoshi. Gushin tkven iqavit kinoshi. Gushin isini iqvnen Tbilisში. Gushin isini iqvnen Tbilisში. Of course, we mentioned the verb to be in past tense, and hope you enjoy the class and you learn the verb. Thank you very much and see you next time.